Really what every manufacturer is trying to figure out is, how do I make more in a way that positions my business for long-term growth, long-term health and success and profitability, where manufacturers have struggled significantly. And really the reason machine monitoring categorically exists is because we've been stuck in this, how much can I get out of my ERP? At Datanomix, we call these the ERPiphanies. When we talk to folks where people are at and what they're trying to uncover and how they're trying to figure out how to make more, the level one is, I think I get everything from my ERP, figure out you don't. Let me switch ERPs. Made a bunch of improvements on a bunch of dimensions, still don't know all I need to know about my operations to truly leverage how to make more. Maybe this is why machine data exists. Okay, let me start looking at machine data. Do I want some simple thing that also doesn't give me answers? Or do I really want to go whole hog and be a data-powered business that knows how to make more all day, every day? And when we talk to customers and we see where they are in the evolution, the number of folks that have made the connection that the machine data is what's missing and that they have to go all in on how to get better, no more excuses, no more holding back, no more thinking that's the way it's always been or that's how it has to be, it needs to be hard, it needs to be messy. That's where the unlock is, man. And it's deeply philosophical and it's fantastic.